What's up, travelers? What's up? What's up? What's up? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I am LJ, and this is Word of Mouth 21. 21, 21, 21, 21. Hey, the thing that holds my mic is a bit glitchy. It's acting up, so I'm holding the mic. You know what I'm saying? Aesthetics, man. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So, today's Word of Mouth is different. We're reading a story today. It's story time, man. We're reading a story from my upcoming book titled Starlight Sensations in the South. Right? Yeah, the pre-order is in the link, is in the description. Hey, pre-order's in the link. The pre-order link is in the description. Yeah. Click and check it out. Check the book out. So basically what the book is about is it's a compilation of short stories, flash fiction and poetry. You know, that's basically from the deepest parts of my heart, and hence Starlight Sensations in the South. You know, y'all can click on the link and see the rest of the description. I don't want to waste time describing the book, you know, so that's just a little teaser of what the book is about. The story we're going to be reading today is titled The Ghost of Mama Shia. Spoke with some Mama Shia for my Botswana out there watching. Spoke with some Mama Shia. That's the story. And firstly, I'd like to give a shout out to everybody who's been watching the channel, supporting the channel, liking, subscribing, sharing the content. My Gabs people, shout out. I appreciate all of y'all. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the story. I'm gonna be reading from my phone. It's a flash fiction story, The Ghost of Mama Shi. And I hope y'all like it. You know what I mean? I hope y'all like it. It goes a little something like this. The Ghost of Mama Shi. The tree branches dance to the brisk breeze as each vehicle mounts the A1 road heading north of the country. A distant spectator falls privy to virtually every passenger. They all welcome the cool breeze without hesitation. Where the streetlights fall short, shimmering specks in the clear night sky take over. There's one speck boasting its brilliance as though to guide the three wise men to their destination once more. It's that time of year, end Poloko's birth week. He turns 12 this year and awaits his parents at the Mamashia traffic lights as usual. Kasane is quite a distance from the current location, not to mention Gaborone, where his parents are driving from. He's eager for their arrival. The chosen destination boasts magnificent scenery, including vibrant flora and fauna of land, sky, and water, conspiring to rejuvenate the human mind, body, and spirit, all within their home country. It is truly a marvelous way to bring the year to a close, and Botswana's pride and joy indeed. The previous year, on this very day, Mom and Dad forgot to pick him up. The year before that as well. He has forgiven them. Hopefully this time, things will be different and they'll bring gifts. As the night fades away, Poloko weeps alone on a raggedy bench by the gas station, next to the familiar traffic lights. Christmas decorations embellish the establishment all around. The bench creaks at Poloko's sudden movements. Countless vehicles swoosh by on the A1, none being driven by his parents. Despite his frequent attempts at conversation, the petrol attendants remain unfriendly. Something seems to agitate them. Natural tension persists here. His attempts are in vain. The inanimate, gigantic, color-coded Santa statue outside the city is the next best option. While on the bench, an elderly woman with a head full of thick grey dreadlocks approaches him. Her olive-toned face is wrinkled, revealing her true age. She's cautious lest their intentions be misinterpreted. Dumela ngwanaka, she speaks softly, as if speaking to her own son. Her voice is reassuring and brings Poloko's tears to an abrupt halt. Poloko sluggishly raises his head from his folded arms on his lap. O dirang fa o le nosi? Dikele di tsone ke tsa eng? Asks the old lady. Dumela mme, responds Poloko. My name is Poloko. I've been waiting here for my parents every year on this day, but they never seem to come. Mine is Legakwa. Every year, you say? How long has it been since you last saw them? Poloko scratches his head. A while. Usually, I wait on this uncomfortable bench till the right time. I've been to these traffic lights a few times on this specific day at this particular hour. This gas station wasn't here before. It makes the waiting bearable. Sometimes I stand beside the road hoping mom and dad, will see me. However, the people that do see me end up in a panic and are sometimes shocked to death. I don't mean for it to happen. Perhaps I stand too close to the road. Sitting next to the sulky boy, Legakwa consoles him by wiping away his tears and embracing him tightly. As she lifts Poloko to his feet and grasps his icy hand, she feels no astonishment at the temperature, realizing he's oblivious to everything happening around him. Gazing into the abyss with a collected demeanor, Legakwa looks back at Poloko and calms his fears by promising to guide him home safely. The end. So here, guys, that is the story. Do leave a comment in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up. Share it if you really, really like it, and check the pre-order link. You know what I mean? If you wanna get the book, it's dropping on the 18th of May. That's my birthday. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, do let me know what y'all think. And that's the lead story from my book, from my upcoming book, Starlight Sensations in the South. With that being said, see you guys on the next one. Peace.